Hey everyone, it's Lauren Cannon with Millennium Sounds, and today we're going to review the PB-16 Ultra Subwoofer from SVS. Let's see what we've got. The PB-16 Ultra is one of the best sounding and most powerful subs you can get. It has a sleek design weighing about 175 pounds. Okay. All right, let's see here. Not very portable. Oh, yeah, nope. Guys, I think I'm gonna need some help. And features a massive 16-inch Ultra driver and an astounding 8-inch edge-wound voice coil. This monster puts out 1,500 watts of continuous power with a peak of 5,000 watts. The cabinet is built with a double-thick MDF front baffle and has a heavy-duty bracing inside to ensure an acoustically inert environment. Yeah, exactly. This hot piece of acoustic excellence is available in two finishes, a black oak veneer and the piano black like we have right here in our showroom. On the front, you have 3 ports and an LCD panel that shows you the decibel levels and other settings. It also comes with an app that lets you control all DSP functions and allows you to store custom presets. We highly recommend the app because it lets you adjust the volume, low pass filter, polarity, EQ, and more right from your listening position. On the back, you have your standard RCA inputs and outputs, as well as balanced XLR connections for those that have a higher end preamp or home theater receiver with balanced outputs. SVS says that an unrelenting passion for breathtaking bass performance and engineering perfection guided every aspect of development of the PB-16 Ultra. Some say you gotta see it to believe it, but in this case, we say you have to hear it to believe it. Its ability to produce low frequencies while also staying detailed and articulate is unmatched, making it the ultimate ported box subwoofer. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the SVS PB-16 Ultra, or stop by our showroom for a listen. Make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Do you feel me loving you, PB Ultra? PB-16 Ultra, I meant. Don't use that, okay? Because I said it wrong. I still love you though. It's my fault, not yours. I do love you. Okay. So weird.